फ्राइडे माइक में आप सबका स्वागत है। हाउस द जोश? इज इट हाई?
Very high.
Very high.
दैट्स गुड, दैट्स गुड। उम्र के जिस पड़ाव पर अब हम आ पहुंचे हैं, खुद से खुद का परिचय नए सिलसिले से चल उठे हैं। खुद से खुद के परिचय के नए सिलसिले चल उठे हैं। अब सिर्फ दूसरों की नहीं, हम खुद की मर्जी भी पूछने लगे हैं। इसीलिए हम भी आज फिर से आप सबको पूछने लगे हैं कि ए सखी आ, फिर से तेरा परिचय तो खुद से करा। अपने उस नए रूप से थोड़ा हमको भी मिला। आत्मविश्वास से सधी वो आवाज थोड़ी हमको भी सुना। ए सखी, इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं शुरू करती हूँ आज का सेशन, लेवल 1.1 सेशन 1, और टॉपिक इज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ। Yes, introduce yourself with passion, compassion, style, and confidence. Shall we start? Evaluator Madam, Nidhi ji. Are you ready, Nidhi ji? Mrs. Nidhi Mohta, our evaluator.
Yes,
Hello
yes.
everyone.
Hello, everyone. I can
Sorry
see
I was late by 5
and
minutes.
it's okay. It's okay. We are not starting, Parul. You can wait. Take a deep breath. Exhale, inhale,
Calm down.
and yes, calm down. And we are going to
So,
begin a
let me introduce.
session.
Let me introduce you to our timer, who is going to take care of the time or time of your speech. She will show you the card. She will show you the card as your time will be over, and after 30 seconds, she is going to mute you. So here comes Tabu, the timer. First speaker of the day is Parul Agarwal. Are you ready, Parul?
Absolutely. Thank you.
Just a second. I think Manisha ji just forgot. I need to tell you all few things before we begin. That this time we are going to evaluate on the basis of 4 categories, and this will continue for the entire session. And I'll be sending the evaluation report eventually so that you can compare in each level that what you have, what is your graph. So mainly it will be based on the eye contact, voice modulation or clarity, body language and content. So I'll be giving you the evaluation on these basis. So make sure, don't be nervous, make sure be yourself, and it is okay if you are fumbling. It is okay. All right, we are all here to learn. Just be yourself. It's okay. Now over to you, Manisha ji.
Yeah, Parul. Timer, are you ready?
Can I start?
I'll tell you 1 second. Just give me.
Okay.
Manisha,
Start.
just a second.
Okay.
Manisha,
Hmm.
please also mention whether this is a on-the-spot speech or a prepare.
We are starting with our ready speech section.
Yes, every time before the speaker, please mention that this is a ready
Okay.
speech, including the topic. So,
Okay.
चाहे वो repetition ही हो, but we should mention that so that it is clear for everybody.
We will mention it or the
We will mention.
okay, fine. Thank you.
First speaker of our ready speech section, Parul Agarwal. Introduce yourself.
Hello.
Your time starts now.
I'm nominating for the ready speech, and the topic is just to introduce yourself. I'm starting my speech. Hello, everyone. Who am I? Am I a person who is born with a purpose? Who am I? Am I a person, a fragmented part of the energy of the same source? Who am I? I am not very sure who am I. I hope I'll be able to evaluate myself by the end of this speech. I believe I'm the most important and very strong creation of God, that is a woman. And I'm here for solving a purpose. I'm born not just to eat, live, and pass off my life. I believe I'm born with a purpose to add on to the society, to the mankind, and most importantly, the women, to empower the women. And I believe I am here in the best place in cafe to empower the women. Yes, I am Parul Agarwal. This is the identity that I got when I was born. I was a pampered child, a daddy's girl, uh, but born with values, grown up with values, wonderful education. I'm mother of two. I'm world to my beloved husband and my world to entire family. But yeah, I believe I am here to empower the society and mankind. Uh, Today I'm proud to be part of Cafe. Today I'm proud to be part of World, but I'm waiting for the day and the time when the entire world will be proud to have me as a part of the world, and the cafe will be proud of me. I love music, I love dancing, but moreover, I love to help out people and reach out people. Thank you.
very well, Parul.
Was the speech too small?
No, it's perfect.
I was really concerned about that 1-2 minute thing, but okay. Thank you.
Acha,
Really,
Parul, will you be leaving? So,
minutes.
I'll be leaving after 15-20 minutes because I have a flight at 2. So I'll have to
so
report
should
the
I evaluate only for you? Should I evaluate you now, or we'll
as
go with
the
the
as the entire panel says. I mean, I'm okay with it. And thank you so much everyone
For
for
your
considering me.
dedication, I think you should get your report right now only because as you are traveling, still you wanted to be here. So this deserve this much of thing from us also. Nidhi ji, please evaluate her.
1 minute 85 seconds.
Okay. So who are you, Parul? We came to know today. Who are you, Parul? And what about your life? We came to know today. And it was a splendid to listen you, to experience the life of yours with all of us. It was really phenomenal. I really like the way you started with the poetry. It touched my heart. It was heartfelt. But I would have been rather happier if there was a voice modulation. Who am I? Who am I to judge this? Who am I to do that? Who am I to do this? Now, voice modulation in the poetry is very necessary. That touches the heart, and whatever the poet wants to say, that essence comes out. I loved your content. It was excellent. You have the gift of gap of very good command over English. When you talked about your life, about the husband, you made sure it is an amalgamation without making us feel a little bored about normal life. You made sure you interest us in your entire speech. Now, the moment you were starting off, I would say that you don't have to nominate yourself, and you don't have to say. The moment moderator um, uh, gives you the mic, you just start with your speech. Take a deep breath for 2 seconds and start with your speech. You were saying everything in a flow. All right, I love music, I love dancing. Give a pause. Pause is necessary. I know you wanted to have a lot of content and finish it in time, but there's no there is nothing like just saying it with a flow with no feelings. It will be bizarre. It will be not likable. So, and keeping things in time is good, but not just somehow, right? So I was thinking that you could have a little pause, because the kind of content you have, you're going to do wonders. And ending, why it was a little abrupt. I was wishing that at the end you have to give me something about your aim, or something like the way you started. Your start was so heavy. And Parulji, the kind of speaker you are, I know you can do it. So from the next time, try and have voice modulation, especially pause between the sentences, and try and have a great end, because all's well that ends well. On that note, I know you'll be the best speaker over the years. Okay, over to you, Manisha ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you. What a wonderful evaluation, Nidhi ji. Is very nice, very nice. And with this, Parul, have a happy journey and all the best for your coming things, sessions and all. You did really well.
for everyone. You understood and you adjusted with me. Thank you so much. Telling it to Nidhi ji and both Manisha ji, like I wanted to conclude with the fact that I have a dream, but I just skipped off with a what you say. I was nervous with the time factor. I wanted to conclude it with a
It is okay. It
dream
is
that I
okay.
It's
have.
okay.
I want
Okay.
to open a charitable trust for the world.
All right.
So
All right,
enjoy.
Parulji, let's save your dreams for next speeches. Don't give it out now.
I just
Yes,
got
we
nervous.
have
Thank
plenty
you.
of speeches coming. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Can I leave?
Yes, thank you so much, Parul.
Thank you.
So now is the turn of our next speaker, Simi Bagadia. Ready speech? Simi Bagadia, introduce yourself.
Your
Good, af-
with
Good
your time starts now.
good afternoon, everyone. Today's topic is to introduce oneself. Hi, everyone. This is Simi Bagaria. I'm into a high-profile, demanding job of 24 into 7 called a homemaker. Mothering a 10-year-old could not differentiate much between motherhood or mentalhood. As per my education qualification, I'm a BCom honors with a diploma in interior designing. Going with the current scenario, I have plunged into share market. Going back to my childhood, I still remember how I used to share little things with my sisters, bossing them around as I was the eldest in the family. The carefree and lovable life I had in my parents' house, where stress and worry were unknown to me. Another most memorable factor in my life was my school, where I spent my golden 14 years with my friends. Those were the days where fun, frolic, and ambition went hand in hand. Somewhere the sunshine girl had vanished in the present responsibilities of life. Though modern, I'm very much deep rooted to my tradition and culture, emotional yet practical and confident in my approach. I'm a no nonsense girl at all. I love binge watching, traveling, and talking to people is my forte. Though life has never been a roller coaster, it is full of sweet and sour memories with a dash of lemon in it. A new feather in my hat is joining cafe, where I get to meet so many interesting ladies. Cafe has given a new meaning to my life. Thank you, everyone.
Very
Bhavika ji,
good. I would
it's
like
nice.
to invite Priya ji for her input and the word of the day.
Oh, thank you so much. One more thing that I would like to say is that can we understand how much time did the speaker talk for? So
So
it
they are
will
getting 3 minutes for the ready speeches, and for impromptu speeches they are getting 2 minutes.
yes, yes.
So
But let's say
No,
Please note it
Tabu,
down.
I
We are
think
only
it was
talking
said
about
2 to 3 minutes for the ready speech, not 3 minutes, 2 to 3.
2 to 3 minutes, total 3 you have, Simi.
yes, total 3 minutes.
But it is
Minimum
from
is
2 to 3, na? So I can speak 2 also if I want, nahi?
no, you cannot break and do it. It's 2 is minimum and 3 is maximum with 30-second ka
That's what I'm
grace
saying.
period
Yeah.
gap.
Yes, 2 to 3 minutes
that's
is there. So almost till now, like Simi and Parul both had finished within she had left, or she had 1 minute 15 seconds still left. Simi and Parul also had similar time left. They finished in 2 minutes something,
yeah.
both of them.
So if we know how much exactly for how much
They yeah, they took 2 minutes some seconds. I just
Fine.
yeah.
Let's have
So
the
I'll be
time.
showing them
What
time
was
is
it?
running out thing. When 45 seconds is left, I'll show this placard and you will be muted like when you cross your time. So
Okay.
Let's show the timer card towards the end,
hmm.
and we can have the word of the day from the
Yes.
on the spot speeches, because the two speakers have already spoken.
Cool. So for the today, the word of the day is this. Let me just share this.
Priya, can we have the word of the day little later, because already two speakers have been yeah
Got it. Yes, we can do
from
that.
From the second section, we'll have the on-the-spot speeches. Thank you. Let's not.
So here comes our third speaker, Babita Jhunjhunwala, for our ready speech section. Topic is same. Introduce yourself.
Your time starts now.
Hello everyone, I'm Babita Jhunjhunwala and I'm going to speak on the topic of introducing myself. I am a mental health counselor and a housewife. I am quite shy by nature and take time in opening up to people. I love learning new things and taking up challenges. I look at my life in two segments, a before and a after. Before I was a counselor and after I became a counselor. You know, like before losing weight and after losing weight. So now this quote by Brian Tracy, it really holds true for me. Move out of your comfort zone. We can grow if you're willing to feel awkward and comfortable when you try something new. When I did transit from being a complete housewife to a counselor, I was feeling extremely awkward and comfortable and totally uncomfortable and totally out of my comfort zone. But it transformed my life completely. Now, what led me to become a counselor from a full-time housewife? I was always a go-to person in case someone needed a listening ear. And I could be trusted to keep people's stories safe. So when the time came and I had started imagining the empty nest syndrome much before it actually happened. And at this juncture, I knew that I had to do something meaningful in my life. So I decided to give counseling a try. I thought better late than never. I enrolled for the course before I got cold feet, and I didn't even tell anyone in my family. In fact, in case they tried to dissuade me from doing this, I realized sometimes it is the smallest decision which can change your life forever. This decision made me respect myself, and I love the person that I have become now. Thank you.
So Bhavika, can you inform how much time?
Yeah, she took 2 minutes, 1 second.
So bang on time.
Yes.
Yes. Very nice, Babita ji. Very nice.
Thank
Very
you.
confident and nice uses of quote also. So from here, now we are calling Mrs. Renuka Ladia for her ready speech on the same topic. Introduce yourself.
Your time starts now.
Hi, this is Renuka Ladia for Ready Speech Self-Introduction. Good afternoon, friends. This is Renuka Ladia. I would like to thank the cafe members first to give me such a happening platform to speak on. I am basically born and brought up in Kolkata, and I'm a commerce graduate and a fashion designer too. Way back in my childhood, I was a very shy person and used to believe that I'm not beautiful, and I used to isolate myself from family and friends according to my belief. And today I'm a self-obsessed person. So guys, let me share my journey from an introvert to a self-obsessed person. My parents were very modern, and I was brought up like a princess, and I was given all the possible facilities and freedom. My parents were very modern, and they always wanted me to socialize with people. But due to my fears, I used to be in a cocoon without really realizing what the outer world was. So my parents, realizing this, they introduced me to some clubs like Rotaract, and slowly and after a lot of pushing and all, I was sent to the clubs and all. So I slowly and steadily, I started mixing with people, and I started gelling with people. And after some time, I realized that I was quite popular between my club members, and after that in other clubs too. So guys, this was a turning point in my life. Now I was a graduate and a fashion designer. I remember one incident in my fashion designing course when we had to display our creations on the finale day. So all my friends, they had hired models and were preparing, but unfortunately I did not get any model. So that was the day I decided that I'm going to model for myself and display my creation. That is the day when I modeled for myself. So guys, this was my achievement because I was a very shy person and now I was loved by people. This was because I loved myself. My hobbies include painting, dancing, drawing, driving, swimming. But this lockdown has given me a boost.
You are muted.
You're
Renuka.
muted.
Your time is up.
You've been muted.
Sorry.
Renuka ji.
Sorry.
It's a suggestion. I'm giving a minute to every speaker. Just pin Bhavika's thing, pin the thing, then you'll be able to see her cards immediately as she starts showing you after your speech. Then
Okay.
that will be helpful to you. Just pin her thing, then you'll be able to see that instantly as she'll start showing you the card.
How to pin? How to pin?
If you there are 3 bullets on your screen, see there is an option to pin the chat. Yes,
On the
Bhavika.
right, on my window, you will get the 3 dots. When you click that, you have a option for pin.
Pin.
When you click that 3 dots, there is option of the 5th option is pin. So when you pin that, so when I'm showing you time is running out, that means you just have a 45 seconds left with you. And last is I'll mute you when your time is up.
But I'm not seeing the dots here.
She has joined from mobile. So from mobile, how is it?
All right.
Yeah, you have in the same thing in the mobile.
In the mobile, you just have to double tap this that particular icon, particular thing, and then it will be pinned.
Rinku has some doubt.
After the ready.
By mistake, it's raised hands. I'm removing it.
Hello.
How to remove? I want to remove.
How to remove that hand? She's
Yeah, I
asking.
removed. Got it. Got it.
Yeah, इतना बड़ा चादर क्यों ले रही है यहाँ के?
It was a commercial break sort of a thing after 3 to 4 speakers. Now we can go back to our introduction round. And now our next speaker and the last speaker of this segment is Darshana Timbadia. Introduce yourself.
Your time starts now.
Can you hear me?
Yep. We can hear you.
Hello all. Goosebumps, literally, because I'm not so used to speaking like this, but a very good afternoon to all the beautiful ladies out here. I'm Darshana Timbadia, a teacher, a co-founder, a graphic designer by profession. I've been running an activity center and a dance studio successfully since 2 decades. I'm a fan of music and travel, very light-hearted person and very sportive. I like bright colors. I love rain. I love speed, but definitely not racing. I love fantasy too, in my own world. And above all, my all-in-all passion are kids. I love kids, especially toddlers, because that has attracted me the most. You know, teaching toddlers is such an intense and fantastic job. I should say that sometimes it feels you're going to collapse from exhaustion, and rest of the time it feels like your heart is going to explode with so much of love you get from the kids. So that is me, Darshana. I love what I do and I do what I love. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Very nice, Darshana.
Thank
Full
you.
of confidence, poise, and grace. Very nice introduction. With Darshana, our ready speech section is ending. And now comes the on the spot section, जिससे लोगों की दिलों की धड़कनें बढ़ती गई. मैं नर्वस हो रही हूँ, मेरी धड़कनें बढ़ रही हैं, मैं कैसे बोलूंगी तुरंत के तुरंत. पर भाई आपको अपने बारे में ही तो बात करनी है. You have to introduce yourself only, even though you are in on the spot section. Here time is 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, Bhavika is going to show you a 30 minutes ka grace wala card, and after, as soon as that 30 minutes thing is wrapped up, she'll show you a card and she'll mute you. Till the time you can speak your heart very aram se, not a problem. So our first speaker in this was Aarti Jalan, but I think she is missing. She is absent. So we'll start with Sheetal Bavishi.
Manisha ji, let's do the quick thing, the quick word introduction of the day.
Yeah, sure.
Sure? All
Sorry,
right. No, that's okay. Guys, so for all the speakers who are going to speak impromptu, you have a little twist, okay? I'm going to introduce a word. Try and inculcate this word in your speech. The word is very simple. It's called assertive. Assertive means, can you talk more firmly? Let me just share the screen so that, it's better for you all to look at it also. So since we are doing an introduction, you all can easily use it in ways like, I generally assert myself when it comes to this. It could be your hobby, it could be a feeling. Let me just, I don't know why the sharing screen is not happening.
You write in chat now, Priya, that will be also working.
Yeah, give me a minute. Tip for me, be better prepared for sharing screen. Yeah, got it. So here you go. The word assertive is an adjective. If you use it as adverb, I do this assertively, whatever can be the activity, that becomes adverb. So assertive means express your opinion clearly and firmly. For example, the student expressed his thoughts assertively and confidently. The employee was not afraid to be assertive in front of his boss. So you might be able to relate it with one segment of your life when you were assertive at certain point. I don't know, just play with it. Just think if you can insert this particular word somewhere. It means expressing your opinion clearly and firmly.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm very sure whatever topic I'm going to give them today, they are going to express their thought assertively. Right, Priya?
Yes, so cool.
So now our next speaker is from On the Spot section, Rinku Saraugi.
Manisha,